In this video, I'll discuss a super useful feature of Excel, Flash Fill. It's your smart assistant that detects a pattern and transforms data without using any complicated formulas. Let's see it in action. Here's a scenario. You have a list of first name and last names in two separate columns, and you want to join them and show them in a single column. You could use various functions and formulas to achieve this. In cell G5, write the first full name, Tracy Blumstein. Now go to the Home tab. In the Editing group of commands, click on Fill drop-down and select Flash Fill option. You will get all the remaining names at once. Now let's undo it. There's another way. Select cell G5 and drag down the result. From the Autofill options icon, select Flash Fill. And that's it. Better still, you can use a shortcut. Undo the last action, just press Ctrl E, and Flash Fill takes care of the rest. If you want to just show the first letter of the first name and the full last name, that's possible too. Just write in cell G5, T. Blumstein. Yes, it's working. Let's say you want to build an email ID for each person. It consists of his first name, then his ID, @ the domain he or she uses, and .com at the last. You can do this easily just by typing and using Flash Fill. In cell H5, I'll write tracy12109@gmail.com. Press Enter. Use the shortcut Ctrl E, and you are done. In the phone number column under column E, we have a list of unformatted US phone numbers. I want to apply the following format for the phone number. The first 3-digit code will represent a specific geographic region. The next 3 digits will refer to the exchange code, which identifies a central office within the area code. Then insert a hyphen. The last 4 are the unique subscriber numbers that identify an individual telephone line within the exchange. Type the formatted number in cell I5, opening parenthesis, 213, closing parenthesis, 456-7890, and enter. Press Ctrl E to use the Flash Fill feature. Here's a pop quiz for you. If you have a list of unformatted phone numbers in a column and you want to format them with the country code +880 at the beginning, how would you use Flash Fill to achieve this? Share your answer in the comments. And that's it for this video.